I hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to design this beautiful infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to insert shapes and take an all shape and a hollow shape and drag a hollow shape by holding shift alt, and let me make it thinner. So I'm going through this anchor point, align center and align middle. Go to insert and take a rectangle and drag a thin rectangle vertically like this. Okay, align center and align middle. Control D to duplicate it, align center and align middle. By holding alt, press the right arrow key 3 times, sorry. Okay, select all these rectangles and rotate it through this handle like this. Let me rotate more. Yes, it's okay. And now select this hollow shape also, fragment, and let me select these parts one by holding shift, control X, and now select all the extra parts and delete it, control V. Okay, select this part also and this one also and delete it. Now select these parts, all parts, and shape outline, make it no outline. Select these parts one by one and give these color from the color palette through the eyedropper. Second one, and this is the third one. Likewise the fourth one, and this is the fifth one, and this is the sixth. Okay, now go to insert and take an oval shape and drag an oval shape by holding shift alt. Make it at the center of these shapes and give it white color. Shape outline, make it no outline, control D to duplicate it. Let me select and control D to duplicate it, give it some dark gray color, and we will use it later for a shadow effect also. Let me select this one and format shape. Okay, shadow effect, we will give it the inner shadow effect and increase the transparency. Blur will be also increased. Okay, let me increase the transparency a little bit more. Select this shape all and go to soft edges. Oh sorry, go to soft edges. Yes, this one, and select one of these, and I'm going to make it size 2. I think 22 will be okay. Let me make it a little bit bigger in size and put it under the whole shape, and this will give the shadow effect to the top whole shape. Let me give it, make its size little bit smaller. Okay, again go to insert and take in another oval shape and drag another oval shape little bit bigger in size, and let me make it shape outline, give it some, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, give it some dark gray color. And let me make it a little bit smaller in size, and okay, align center and align middle, give it some fill for now, and go to again insert and take let me give it go to insert and take a rectangle and drag a rectangle. Okay, give it some color, select both, merge shape, union, and let me shape fill, no fill, edit shape, edit point, open path, let me select one of these, Control Z, open path, and delete these anchor points one by one. Right click on the mouse and delete these anchor points one by one. So we got this shape, begin arrow and end arrow will, I'm going to choose the size of the end arrow. Okay, I'm going to make the size bigger and give it some dashes. This will be okay. So select this one, Control D to duplicate it, and let me rotate, flip horizontally, and again flip vertically. Let me first of all fix it, and now flip vertically. Okay, again go to insert and take a rounded rectangle and drag a rounded rectangle for the steps. And now I am going to design steps. You can increase or decrease these steps according to your requirements, and I am going to take 6 steps in this infographic. I have some text, written text, to bring it to the slide, Control C and Control V to bring it to the slide. And let me place this text over this rounded rectangle. Let me choose the color for shape outline, make it no outline, Control D to duplicate it and make it a little bit smaller according to the rounded rectangle, and the icon will go over this all shape. So I'm going to place it here at the start of the rounded rectangle and make the soft edges size, let me make the shadow and fix its transparency. and the blur will be also fixed. Sorry. I'm going to give it white color. Let me select this text first and give it white color. The heading also be selected and give it white color. Select the round rectangle and give this color from the color palette, the top one. Select all these things. Sorry. Okay. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Let me fix the headlines. So align center and make it a little bit bigger in size. So the font of infographic, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger in size. Let me select these shapes and Control D to duplicate it and put it here on the other side of the slide. Okay. Let me align it perfectly. Select Control D to duplicate it, and this is type number 5. Control D to duplicate it, and this is type number 6. Let me align it. Okay. And now I'm going to give it okay another shape. I'm going to fill another shape for over these arrows, these curve arrows. So I'm going to go its width to whole 1/4 and give it fill according to the shape and put it here. Control D to duplicate it and give the fill color, the second one. Control D to duplicate it. The third one color. Control D to duplicate it, and this is the fourth one, and place it here. Through the eyedropper, I'm going to give it the fourth one color. Control D to duplicate it, and this is the fifth one color. Again, Control D to duplicate it, and this is the sixth one color. Okay, let me complete it. I'm going to bring some icons. I need 6 icons for this infographic, and you can find your desired icon in this icon tab. So just type your text in the search icon bar and you will find your desired icon. Let me select 6 icons. I'm going to select the money icon, this one, dollar icon, and insert and bring it to the slide by holding shift alt and make it little bit smaller in size, that place over these small all shapes. I'm going to put these icons over these all shapes one by one, and customer search growth icon will go here, and affidavits like something written in written form go icon here, and idea, this icon will go here, and this is the money icon will go here. Let me select change the color of these shapes one by one. Through the eyedropper, I'm going to pick these color from the color palette. I'm going to change the icon color according to the shape. Yes, also let me select these icon one by one and go the color according to the shape. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. And thank you for watching. Thank you.